Alright, so this is a 0.1 molar solution of sodium chloride. I went really low molar because one of the products is not great to breathe out, so I don't want a lot of it being made. Breathe in, so I'm just, nice to have a mask, but also, you know, just to be safe. So we are going to make a teeny quantity of the harmful product, but I feel like it's important. Okay, so here is my solution, 0.1 molar sodium chloride. I have added a squirt of universal indicator to it. It's actually greenish yellow, but the camera's not picking up the green tints, and green is neutral. Like the lightest green is neutral in terms of the universal indicator, okay? It's just an extremely dilute version of it. Okay, so I am going to dip my setup in here, and then let's make some observations. You can see, I'm not going to do this for too long. You can see one end turning really purple and one end turning pink, okay? And vigorous bubbling at both ends. The purple end is bubbling a lot more vigorously, so I'm going to stop now because I don't want, I'll pause the video and then I'll ventilate and read. So the reddish color or the pinkish color is indicative of acidic something happening where there's protons being formed. Just like in the zinc sulfate, we saw some pinkish color coming from the protons. And the purple color, oh, I can smell it. The purple color is an indication of something basic being formed, because that is what the universal indicator does, okay? Purple is basic, red is acidic. So, just opening a door here. Even though it's 0.1, you can see like a really good reaction there, okay? And one thing that we can do to confirm one of the products is a litmus test. So one of the products, the one that I'm worried about, is clearly chlorine gas, okay? So I'm just gonna, so if you put a blue litmus paper in chlorine gas, what happens is it will bleach the blue litmus paper. And I'm not sure if we're producing enough chlorine gas for the litmus paper to bleach, but we can try it. I've actually never tried the chlorine gas test before. I've just identified it by the very terrible smell that it produces. It's toxic. So, but it's just like a tiny whiff of it, you know? When we do this in a regular year, I always have people move away from the table, and we have fans going and whatnot. It's just me here, so it's fine, okay? You can see some bluish pH indicators. It's just not that many hydroxide ions there, okay? So it's very pretty though. It looks like a little butterfly. So, all right, again, we shall try this. I'll do it here. So let's try to see what happens to our blue litmus paper. Nothing might happen because it's just not enough. Yeah, I don't think it's enough concentration for anything to happen. But I do smell it, so I'll move away again. Alright, so that was sodium chloride.